Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amna Rahman and I am the webmaster and content manager of Jannah Institute. Jannah Institute is really excited to bring to the Islamic community a new concept. We're going to be launching a web stream with all of our content, all of our videos, our halakas, our seminars, all available to the Muslim community with a click of a button. We hope that you will consider subscribing to our web stream. Inshallah, we will be launching this fall 2018. And we look forward to having you as one of our subscribers.
Alhamdulillah, it is so easy to register for our new web stream. All you have to do is visit jannahinstitute.com, click on subscribe, enter your credit card information, and you will be billed $6.99 a month for unlimited access to all of our videos. Once you are logged in, you can view any of our past seminars, past courses. They are all readily available for you to view and gain knowledge and insight from.